Welcome. In today's video, we're diving into a simple guide on how to disable the Gmail chat tab on your Android device. If you're looking to streamline your inbox and minimize distractions, you're in the right place. Let's get started. First, open the Gmail app on your Android device. Once you're in, locate the three horizontal lines at the top left corner of your screen. Tap on those lines to reveal a menu. Next, scroll down and tap on Settings. This will take you to a menu where you can customize various features in Gmail. Now, select General Settings. Here, you'll find options that can enhance your email experience. After that, tap on Manage Notifications. This is where you can control how and when you receive notifications. Then, proceed to tap on In-App Notifications. Here, you can adjust various notification settings. Finally, under the General section, disable the option to show the chat tab. And there you go. You've successfully turned off the Gmail chat tab, helping you focus on what really matters, your emails. Thanks for watching.